Real-time clock. This component is actually a little less simple than it sounds. A real-time clock, or abbreviated RTC, is a timekeeping device built into an integrated circuit, or IC. Again, a lot with the abbreviations here. It is used in many time-critical applications and devices, such as servers, GPS, data loggers, and etc. Compared to using software to simulate time, having this dedicated circuit is both 1, more simple, and 2, more accurate. The pins we'll be needing to use are the following 4. Ground will go to ground, 5 volt to VCC, and we'll be using 20 will be going to SDA, and 21 will be going to SCL. We'll also be using a couple of libraries to make sure the following code works properly, which I will include below, or again at inventor.io/libraries. And those libraries would be the ds3231.h and libprintf.h. To include these libraries, again, you go to Sketch, include library, and add the zip library. Those zip files will be included, again, inventor.io/libraries. So after installing the libraries and running the code, you will see it is not currently set up correctly. That's because it's using old data. It is not the year 2000, it is the year 2023, and it is not the 1st of January, it is 23 years later. So you'll notice that it's using old data. To fix this, we can give it new data by feeding it in with a string of the current date and time. If you look up above, you'll see this format up here that makes not a whole lot of sense at all, but I will explain it to you. It is just a string of, I think, 13 characters. It says it's the year, the month, the date, the day of the week, 0 through 6, defining if it is a like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, with a number corresponding to each of those days, the hour, the minutes, and the seconds. So what I have done is I actually just parsed up what I typed in last time, which was 23 for the year 2023. And then I put 0113, which is January 13th, which is today. And it is at 11:53, which it was when I typed it in, and now it says 54. And you can see it's continually updating every 5 seconds it gives a little update, giving the correct date and time. And now that we've updated it, the cool thing about an RTC, or a real-time clock, is that since it's running off of this battery here, let's just say theoretically we decided to, and again, if I unplug this, there should be no power going to the real-time clock from the board. So this isn't affecting anything here, but if I do unplug it, and then let's just say I plug it in again a little bit. Let's see the last update it popped in. See, it was 11:54 here, and it honestly, it should turn to 11:55 soon. I don't think I plugged it in exactly accurate, but let's just say if I were to plug it in right now, it should start giving updates, and the updates should, nice. See, it updated exactly to where it was when it started. So it actually stores that information and continues to run off the battery because it's so low power. So no matter what, if I were to completely unplug this, it would keep its data. The only exception would be if I take out this battery here, it will reset to the default value of January 1st, 2000, which is obviously not the correct date anymore. It was at one time. Luckily, one of the benefits of an RTC is that it's exceedingly low power and will likely last for a pretty long time without the need for a replacement. So you can actually run it off of a battery like this for, well, a pretty long time. Thanks, and that's about it for the real-time clock.